Hi, I'm Jordan Hansen. I'm from Cobalt Intelligence, and today we're going to talk about the Alaska Secretary of State. We're going to talk about the Secretary of State. We're going to talk about the business search and how to search for business entities there. We're also going to talk about how to get the data via API using something like Postman or our portal or just a JavaScript SDK that we came out with that makes it really easy. So all of these will help you if you want to get your data from Alaska in an automated fashion. Let's get to it. So Alaska, here it is. This is our page on Alaska. We have a list of all the fields that are available, notable ones that are missing, no industry field for Alaska, and there's no direct Secretary of State URL. Otherwise, you can get most of the data for Alaska that you'd expect from a Secretary of State site. Here's the page that looks like you can search by entity number or the entity name. Most people are going to use the entity name. Let's search for, I'm going to go pizza this time. I like pizza. And here's a list of businesses as you'd expect. And what do you say? Which one should we go for? I would like one that's good standing. Yeah, AK Pizza LLC right there. Here it is. So this is the kind of information you'd expect to receive on the Alaska Secretary of State. The cool thing is you can see the documents. Like you can click this. Oh, we can click the certificate even. Right there. See, got the certificate of organization. Perfect. And you can get all these documents all public and open. It also shows the officer's information like there. Okay, so let's go try this here in the portal. So if you log in and create an account with Cobalt Intelligence, you'll land on this page, and this is a chance for you to test it out and kind of see how it works. You go over here, you can enter your business name. I'm going to go a little bit more zoomed in there. And then we're going to change this over to Alaska, and we're going to hit submit. Now, Alaska, I would guess, probably takes 10 to 15 seconds. And so it's going to go out there and make this request. And, I was also going to get something else up. While this is going, I'm going to open up this web page so we're ready. There it is, done. So you can see over here, things to double check. This SOS ID is at the same, 10112430. There we go, same business. Has all the documents here, so you can just get this URL. It also has all of officer information, everything else we saw. So that's how you do it in the portal. And then if we want to do that same thing over here, we're going to go like this, search for that, and then I'm going to send. And this is the URL that you'll send. And we have documentation on our site that you can just go ahead and access that. And I'll put that in the URL on our description as well. And look, all the information there, same thing. So this is how you do it via API. If you ever wanted to get it, let's make this a little bigger. There we go. And then over here, this is the SDK. This is how the function works over here. You just initialize the SDK. This is a JavaScript SDK, so you're going to do it with Nodejs. And you're going to initialize it with the API key that you get over here, right here. And here you get this API key. And then you'll just pass in, I'm going to get rid of this. This is for my dev environment. And you pass in what you're looking for. So like we're working for Alaska, we go AK. And you can send all these different parameters here. I'm just sending right now so that you can SOS API.get business details. Right now, I'm just sending the name and the state. Also saying that live data should be true. But you can send things like a screenshot or whatever else in there. That's how this looks like. I'll put it over here in Postman at the same time. Like this. Screenshot equals true. Now, typically, it's good to encode the business name because sometimes business names have things like ampersands in them, and that will break your URL, but encoding them there will make it work better. So let's go here and find that screenshot URL right there. Bam. Look at that. So you get a screenshot also of the business. And over here, look, see we have the information as well. And that is Alaska.